Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. This week, boys and girls, we are working with phonograms. Phonograms are a series of letters that represents one or more sounds. In phonograms, the vowel sound changes. The phonograms we are working with this week are all, ol, and awk. The first word I would like you to write is the word ball. B-all. Ball. And we're going to underline the phonogram all. B-all. One more time. Ball. Please remember to always underline the phonogram. Our next word is roll. R-ol. Roll. R-ol. And inside roll, we have the phonogram ol. We're going to write it 2 more times. Ol. Underlining that phonogram. Ol. The next word is walk. Awk. A-L-K says awk. 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 Please pause the video if you need time to catch up. Our fourth word today is the word haul. All. Haul. Remembering to underline the phonogram all. All. Our next word is troll. T-r-ol. T-r-ol. Please remember to underline the phonogram ol. T-r-ol. Troll. Our sixth word is the word stall. S-t-all. Stall. Underlining the phonogram all. Please pause the video and write stall 2 more times. All right. Did you remember to underline the phonogram all in the word stall on number 6? If you did, way to go. Our next word is the word scroll. S-k-r-ol. Underlining the phonogram ol. S-k-r-ol. Please pause the video and finish writing scroll. Our 8th word is chalk. Ch-awk. Ch, consonant digraph, awk. And A-L-K is the phonogram, and it is pronounced awk. Ch-awk. Please remember to underline the phonograms. Please pause the video and finish number 8. The word is chalk. Our 9th word is the word small. All. Small. Phonogram all. Small. All. Small. The phonogram ALL says all. Please pause the video and finish the word small. And number 10 is stalk. 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 Underlining the phonogram awk. Stalk. Awk. Please pause the video and finish the word stalk. All right, way to go. Go ahead and flip your paper over. You did great using our phonograms. All right, I'm excited about this side, boys and girls. We are talking about nouns. The directions say, use the nouns in the word bank to complete the sentences. Write the nouns in the correct columns. In our word bank, we have bug, garden. Ooh, look at that R controlled vowel, A-R. A-R says R. Park. Ooh, yippee, another A-R, R. Mailman. Teacher. Oh, I see another R control vowel, E-R, saying Bunny. Mall. Mom. And chick. Remember, boys and girls, a noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. So down here you can see person, place, and thing. So we'll be writing words in our word box. Looks like there's going to be 3 that fit under the person category, 3 under place, and 3 under thing. Our first sentence says, the brown blank hopped away. The brown bunny hopped away. E. And remember how Y can say E at the end of the word. I'm going to cross off bunny when I've used it to help myself stay organized. Now, boys and girls, is bunny a person? No. Is it a place? No. Is it a thing? Yes, because it's an animal. So we will write bunny underneath our thing category. All right, our next sentence. My mom likes to work in the... where does my mom like to work? Let's count how many boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know my word is going to have 6 letters, and I can see a basement box and a tall box. So my mom likes to work in the bug? No. My mom likes to work in the garden? Ooh, how many letter spaces does garden have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Yes, my mom likes to work in the garden. G-R-D-N. Garden. Now, boys and girls, is garden a person? No. Is it a place? Yes. It's a place that you go to gather either flowers or vegetables or fruits. Okay, number 3 says, I gave my letter to the I gave my letter to the bug. No, I gave my letter to the park. No, I gave my letter to the mailman. Yep, our mailman is going to help us get our letters where we need them to go. Mail, man, mailman. I like to cross it off when I'm done to help myself stay organized. Now, my friends, mailman, is that a person? Yes. It is not a place, and it is not a thing. It is a person. Mailman. Please remember, you can pause the video if I'm going too quick. Number 4. The blank crawled under the flower pot. The bug crawled under the flower pot? Yep, I think that's it. Look, we have a tall box for the tall B. Bug. The bug crawled under the flower pot. Oh, I see a R control vowel, and . Now, bug, is that a person? No. Place? No. But it is a thing. Bug. Cross off bug to stay organized. All right, we're doing great. Number 5. My blank gave us homework. Oh, who gives you homework? Your teacher. Teacher. Cross it off. Now, teacher, is that going to be person, place, or thing? Please write it where you think it belongs. Way to go. If you started putting it underneath person, you were correct. Teacher. Okay, friends, we're going to do one more together, and then you're going to be on your own, but I believe in you. Number 6. We went shopping at the park, mall, mom, or chick. We go shopping at the mall. All. Ooh, I see a phonogram. ALL says all. Mall, is that a person? No. Place? Yes. All right, I'm going to read the sentences to you. The remaining words in your word bank, you have park, mom, and chick. So number 7 says, my blank makes the best cookies. Does your park make the best cookies? Your mom or your chick? And then you'll write the word underneath person, place, or thing. Number 8 says, the baby blank hatched out of the egg. The baby park hatched out of the egg, the baby mom hatched out of the egg, or the baby chick hatched out of the egg. Number 9, on sunny days, we like to play at the park, mom, or chick. All right, my friends, you did great with nouns today. Make sure your name's on your paper, turn it into the top basket, and move on to Lexia. Way to go.